Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're excited to walk you through one of our recently completed carpentry projects, located in the stunning town of Santa Fe Bantayan Island. From custom store shelving to a functional office table, a handcrafted home altar, and a stylish powder room cabinet, this project was all about blending functionality with quality craftsmanship. So if you're looking for design ideas, build inspiration, or planning your own custom furniture, stick around. This one's for you. This project started with a client inquiry from Santa Fe, who needed customized woodwork solutions for both business and home use. The goals were clear: maximize space, ensure durability in a humid island environment, and maintain a clean, minimalist aesthetic. After the initial consultation and site visit, we drafted the designs and selected materials suitable for tropical conditions like marine plywood, laminated boards, and durable hardware fittings. Let's start with the store shelving cabinet. Designed for a local retail setup, these shelves were made to be strong, spacious, and easy to maintain. We went for an open shelf layout with adjustable levels, allowing the client to organize different product types efficiently. A laminated finish was used to prevent moisture damage and ensure easy cleaning, especially important for island locations. The final look: clean lines, neutral tones, and a practical layout that fits perfectly into the store's space. Next up, the custom office table. Whether working from home or running a small business, a solid work table makes all the difference. For this piece, we used a combination of laminated board and solid edging to ensure both strength and aesthetics. It features cable management holes, drawer storage, and an under-table compartment for extra utility. The client wanted a minimalist design with enough working space, but without it being too bulky, and we made sure it delivered. For the home altar, we knew it had to be special. The altar was handcrafted with attention to detail and spiritual symbolism, incorporating simple, clean lines with built-in lighting options. It includes small drawers for candles and accessories, and a dedicated shelf for sacred items. The client requested a peaceful and warm look, so we used warm wood tones and a semi-matte finish. It's a beautiful piece that adds both spiritual and visual depth to the room. Finally, let's talk about the powder room cabinet. Space-saving and moisture-resistant, this cabinet was designed to hold essentials while keeping the bathroom looking clean and organized. We used marine plywood with a laminated finish to prevent warping and added soft close hinges for a premium touch. The design includes open shelving below and closed storage above, giving the client flexibility for both display and hidden storage. It's the kind of small detail that makes a big difference in home comfort. After all the pieces were installed and inspected, the client was beyond happy with the results. Every component was made to fit not just the dimensions, but also the lifestyle and personality of the client. One of the most rewarding parts of this job is seeing a space come to life, whether it's a shop, office corner, prayer area, or personal bathroom. And doing it in a beautiful island like Bantayan? That's always a bonus. We take pride in combining craftsmanship, functionality, and care in every project we do. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this project walkthrough and want to see more custom carpentry builds from across the Philippines, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're based in Bantayan Island or nearby areas and are looking for a trusted team for your next carpentry or cabinetry project, we'd love to hear from you. Contact details are in the description below. Until next time, keep building and stay inspired.